Welcome to the Gold Bullion Company YouTube channel, your trusted source for precious metals and collectible coins. Today, we're excited to introduce a truly unique and spiritually meaningful piece, the 2 ounces Silver Chakra Lotus coin, a vibrantly colorful spiritual treasure. Crafted from 2 ounces of 999.9 fine silver and measuring 47.4 by 47.4 millimeters, this coin is a work of art. Designed by the talented Phil Lewis, it features intricate engraving and vibrant, colored elements. The design depicts a blooming lotus flower, symbolizing the connection between the physical and spiritual realms. The coin highlights the 7th chakra, or Crown Chakra, located at the top of the head. This chakra represents our spiritual connection with the universe. When balanced, it is said to bring a deeper meaning to life, fostering gratitude and trust. It helps dissolve the ego and allows us to achieve a higher state of consciousness, much like a lotus blossom. Each 2 ounces Silver Chakra Lotus coin is individually serialized and comes encapsulated in a custom-shaped capsule. With a limited mintage of just 1,500 pieces, it carries a $5 denomination from the Solomon Islands. This coin is a true masterpiece, blending the spiritual symbolism of the 7th chakra with the artistic talents of Phil Lewis. Whether you're a collector, a spiritual seeker, or simply an admirer of beautiful art, this coin is sure to captivate and inspire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Gold Bullion Company.